SB19 Damn music video teaser reveals world-class quality. Yes, P-pop King SB19 has just released the teaser of their Damn music video and it screams world-class quality. Literally, it gave me goosebumps. Yung tipong mapapanganga ka, mapapaisip at mas lalong mai-excite kung ano ang magiging takbo ng kanta at ng music video. So 18, go watch it now and don't forget, i-search by manually typing SB19's Damn music video teaser to leave a comment and like the video. At tandaan, huwag sunod-sunod at huwag paulit-ulit ang panonood ng video. Watch it once and then go watch another videos from another channels like our Mahalima solo YouTube channels. I've said it before na 1 or 2 videos ang gawing video filler pero mas safe na 3 to 4 videos ang panoorin bago bumalik sa SB19. At tandaan, manually type to search palagi. And don't forget to share it on your social media platforms and pre-save them. The link is on the comment section.